Good evening and welcome to this special update covering today's economic developments and political insights in our ongoing coverage of current U.S. policies. Tonight, we closely examine President Trump's recent comments regarding recession risks, new tariffs, and the implications of his controversial trade policies. In a recent interview, President Trump acknowledged the possibility of a recession resulting from his aggressive trade measures and newly implemented tariffs. He emphasized that these policies are part of a necessary transition aimed at restoring long-term economic prosperity and securing American interests. Despite mounting concerns from business leaders, President Trump has firmly downplayed fears about potential economic disruptions and escalating consumer prices. He stated that the reciprocal tariffs, matching those imposed by other nations, are designed to protect American industries and boost domestic growth. The administration's comprehensive strategy focuses on leveraging these tariffs as a powerful tool for long-term economic benefits, despite immediate market challenges. Financial markets have reacted strongly to these latest developments, displaying increased volatility as cautious investors seek safer assets amid mounting recession worries. Notably, Treasury yields have significantly declined recently, reflecting broader investor concerns and the shift towards more secure, conservative investment strategies. Investors are clearly reacting to the administration's recent policy moves, which have stirred widespread debates among economists and financial experts nationwide. Many sharp critics argue that these tariffs could significantly disrupt international trade, potentially harming relationships with key allies and trading partners. Business leaders have expressed mounting concerns, warning that significantly higher costs and persistent supply chain disruptions might further strain the recovering economy. Despite these stern warnings, the president remains resolute, asserting that his trade policies will eventually benefit American workers and industry. He firmly argues that short-term challenges are a necessary part of a strategic transition toward achieving sustained long-term economic gains. The president's remarks have ignited debates among political analysts who remain divided over the potential risks and rewards of his policies. Supporters view the tariffs as a bold move to rebalance trade dynamics and defend American economic sovereignty on the global stage. Critics, however, warn that these measures might inadvertently lead to unintended consequences, including disrupted supply chains and strained international relations. Internationally, several key trading partners are closely monitoring the evolving U.S. strategy, weighing potential responses amid growing global economic uncertainties. Analysts note that the current policy shift echoes earlier economic strategies, yet carries a distinctly more confrontational tone than before. The president's firm stance is fueling heated debates across various political circles, with lawmakers divided over the delicate balance of risks and benefits. In his remarks, President Trump maintained that economic resilience will eventually prevail, even if temporary hardships emerge from these policy actions. He confidently asserted that American innovation and unwavering determination will drive recovery, regardless of short-term market fluctuations and economic setbacks. The current trade policies, while highly controversial, represent a significant departure from previous administrations' traditional approaches to global economic challenges. This shift in policy has sparked a broader discussion on America's role in the international trade system and its future economic direction. Observers note that while challenges lie ahead, the president's approach signals a commitment to reshaping trade dynamics in a rapidly changing world. Leading economists remain cautious, urging policymakers to carefully consider both the short-term disruptions and long-term potential benefits of these measures. Seasoned market analysts predict that investor sentiment may shift significantly further as fresh economic data unfolds in the coming weeks. The current economic situation clearly underscores the complex interplay between aggressive trade policies and overall economic stability during uncertain times. Some critics argue that the profound political implications of these policies extend far beyond economics, affecting voter sentiment and national identity. Seasoned political pundits note that fierce debates over trade and looming recession fears have become central themes in today's national discourse. As determined policymakers deliberate on future actions, the unfolding events will undoubtedly shape the trajectory of America's economic future. Today's comprehensive update highlights the intricate balance between political ambitions and economic realities, reflecting the nation's ongoing journey towards renewal.